Presiden jaka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala ulako baka parti kan jobbet katu kan isi nang kitugi constituency jagi MLA ba Phet na Congress. Laban kedau hang ni bakidan hadu kan nyongut ki MLA ba Phet na Congress hakaba khat arngut kilit ban penyaso syaka TMC bat samngut ki weipat kidan mentah hakarenti bandet jaso syaka UDP bat NPP.
These are all seasoned politicians, seniors, and they know what they are going to do. They know the consequences when they join with the BJP also. So the question of sending fillers and all doesn't arise. And definitely the moment they have been suspended, we have, as a party, we have to look for alternative. So we have got an alternative on all the 5 seats. And hopefully we are going to win some of the seats also. And we are in the preparation of calling the applicants or aspirants. So I think we will declare only when we get all those in place. But I'm very confident that we should do well in those 5 seats also because those seats will belong to the Congress. I think sometimes it doesn't depend on the leader alone. It depends on the team we work. And the people like you also to spread the news, what is the present government is doing. So it doesn't depend on us who are going to fight election, also it depends on the other side. So winning elections are lots of other things also, not only depends on the Congress alone, it depends on other parties also, how unite the other parties, how prepare the other parties and all. So, but I think our preparation as of now, we are in track, we are doing well. There's no denying the fact we had a big problem when everybody left us, but I think we have recovered as of now. Whenever we have a meeting, all of us are happy that so far we are coming back to a stage where we can fight elections seriously, and most of them are fully prepared for that. So hopefully not only my Meghalaya leadership, a lot of them are more senior than me, like Baroni is more senior than me if you look in that time. Panchingain also, so many others also who are common suits, very senior. So we have good people to guide us. I'm very confident we should do well. And more important, the voters to decide. We only try to give a right candidate from the whatever we have, but ultimately the voters has to decide.